how to turn on or turn off predictive back animations on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on developer options. In here, scroll down to the bottom of the page and then tap on predictive back animations. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off, and here say enable system animations for predictive back. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When you turn this on, it says that this settings enables system animations for predictive gesture animation. It requires setting per app enable on back invoke callback to true in the manifest file. So tap on the OK button to close that pop-up, and then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.